Picture this scenario. You really, really want to go and get a Starbucks drink, but you also really, really have to go to work. You have two options. You can either A, leave home early so that you can drive to Starbucks, get your drink, and then drive to work, or you can find a recipe online, get all the ingredients, and then make the drink at home as many times as you want. So today I wanted to answer the question, is it really worth spending $7 for a medium-sized dragon fruit drink? Here I have the actual drink from Starbucks. This costed $7 something. And over here I have all of the ingredients necessary to make the drink itself. And I'm going to try and see if it is actually worth the price or if it's just better just making it at home. So I'm gonna start out with the mango juice. This is mango juice that I got from Whole Foods. I actually went to go and get all of the ingredients yesterday on Canada Day, which was arguably a really bad idea because every single store was closed. And I'm gonna add this in. Now I'm going to add in the white grape juice. Now I went everywhere. I went to Walmart first, couldn't find the mango juice or the white grape juice. Then I went to Whole Foods. I also couldn't find it. So I ended up just buying white grapes and then I just blended them, which I think works equally as well. Besides the fact that it looks like a vegetable smoothie, I think it's gonna work. Okay, it does not look the same. And then lastly, I'm gonna add in some of the dragon fruit pieces. This is from fresh dragon fruit. I couldn't find just frozen dragon fruit pieces. Now for the comparison. So looking at the two, they absolutely look nothing like each other, but what matters is, does it taste good? So I'm gonna try both of them and then give my thoughts. Obviously approved, it's Starbucks. I mean, what can you expect? It's always good. Okay, this one tastes like a grape slushy, but that's because I didn't have all of the necessary requirements. I didn't have the dragon fruit powder that this has. I didn't have frozen dragon fruit pieces. I didn't have the grape juice. That's why this looks like mushy and like a grape slushy, but it still tastes really, really good for what it's worth and for all the money I spent. For all the time I spent looking, I was looking for parking, then I went to Walmart, couldn't find it. Then I went to Whole Foods, couldn't find everything I needed, but I still had to like kind of substitute some of the ingredients. But overall, it tastes really, really good. And honestly, I think even if you can't make the recipe exactly, which honestly, let's all be honest, you're never gonna be able to like perfectly replicate this unless you have a friend who works at Starbucks who can tell you the formula. But Starbucks would probably go out of business for that. Just don't tell anyone if you decide to do that. But overall, I think that this is still a really, really good drink for all of the time and money I spent to get all of the ingredients. My overall thoughts, I think it is worth making it at home rather than buying it. It's honestly really pricey. The reason that like people actually go is because they're too lazy to make the drink themselves. But honestly, I think for the money, time, and the creativity I put into this, it's really, really good. You guys let me know in the comments what you think. Is it worth it? Would you rather make it yourself at home rather than spending $7 every single time to go to Starbucks? Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. If you liked this video, make sure to give this video a like. And for some reason, the camera cut out. I'm not sure why that happened, but I was gonna say, give this video a like if you enjoyed, consider hitting that subscribe button, and until next time, I will see you all on the next one. Bye!